Good morning, everybody. In previous lecture, we have seen the paper number 16th Industrial Chemistry and the point manufacturing of ammonia by Haber's process. Now, today we will discuss about the manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. Manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. The king of chemicals, sulfuric acid, it is called king of chemicals, and the synthesis by contact process. Contact process, sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals as it is used in manufacture of fertilizer, coal tar products, metallurgical operations, industrial explosive textiles, and plastics, acids, chemicals, cellulose, films, rayon, paints and pigments, dyes, drugs, leather, etc. Nowadays, sulfuric acid is manufactured by the contact process. Who invented this process? This process was created in 1831 by British vinegar merchant Peregrine Phillips. In addition to being a far more economical process for producing concentrated sulfuric acid than the previous lead chamber process, the contact process also produced sulfur trioxide and oleum. Contact process was developed by Phillips in 1831, which involves following steps. First, preparation of sulfur trioxide by burning high-grade sulfur or iron pyrites. Reaction S plus O2 burning, it gives SO2 sulfur dioxide plus 70.920 calories, 296.7 kilojoule. B. Oxidation of sulfur dioxide by air in presence of catalyst to give sulfur trioxide. Twice SO2 plus O2 air catalyst. In presence of catalyst, it gives twice SO3 sulfur trioxide plus 45000 calories, 188.3 kilojoule. C. Formation of oleum by dissolving sulfur trioxide in 98% sulfuric acid. Formation of oleum SO3 plus H2SO4, 98%. It gives H2S2O7 oleum. Preparation of sulfuric acid of any desired concentration by diluting oleum with water. H2S2O7 oleum plus H2O, it gives twice H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Then next point, physicochemical principles. The yield of sulfuric acid by this process depends on the step B, that is on the catalytic oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide by atmospheric oxygen. The reaction may be represented as twice SO2 gas sulfur dioxide plus O2 gas in presence of catalyst gives twice SO3 sulfur trioxide plus 45000. 2 volumes of sulfur dioxide. Here 2 volumes of sulfur dioxide plus 1 volume of O2. It gives or it form 2 volumes of sulfur trioxide. Effect of temperature. The reaction is reversible and exothermic. Exothermic process means what? Exothermic process means the energy is given out or energy is released in this process. So, equilibrium shift toward the right with decrease in temperature. That is, temperature favors the formation of SO3. However, rate of reaction will fall with decrease in temperature. Experimentally, it is observed that at temperature 434 degrees centigrade, 99% conversion takes place to optimum temperature for maximum yield is 425 to 450 degrees centigrade. And this temperature reaction is uneconomically slow. Therefore, to enhance reaction velocity, suitable catalyst is used. Then second, effect of pressure. By applying law of mass action to the reaction in terms of partial pressure, we have Kp is equal to P2SO3 divided by P2SO2 into PO2. The forward reaction proceeds with decrease in volume, and according to Le Chatelier's principle, high pressure gives better yield of sulfur trioxide. But in actual practice, it is not so. It seems that SO3 is strongly adsorbed on the surface of catalyst at a high pressure. So incoming gas must have to diffuse through such a layer. This results in slowing down the rate of conversion. Further, material of plant get corrode. Corrode means rusting. So high pressure is found to be necessary. The atmosphere is carried out at a pressure of 1.5 temperature 1.7 1.5 to 1.7 atmosphere, that is 1.515 into 10 raised to 5 to 1.717 into 10 raised to 5 Pa. Then third, effect of concentration. The equilibrium constant for above reaction can be written as Kc is equal to concentration of SO3 2 divided by concentration of SO2 2 into O2 into concentration of O2. SO3 is evident that high concentration of reacting gases favors high yield of SO3, and best results are obtained when SO2 and O2 gases are present in molecular proportion of 2:3. In presence of oxygen from the lens or closest liquid air plant is mixed with SO2 in proportion of 3:1 by volume. Then next, effect of catalyst. Low temperature favors the formation of sulfur trioxide. It slows down the rate of reaction. As a result, it is essential to enhance the rate of reaction using suitable catalyst. Here, vanadium pentoxide used as a catalyst. The role played by vanadium pentoxide can be written as catalyst. What is catalyst? Catalyst, it is the substance which alter the rate of reaction without itself being consumed during the reaction. Okay. Then the role of vanadium pentoxide can be written as to enhance the or to increase the or slow down the rate of reaction. That is, positive catalyst increase the rate of reaction and negative catalyst decrease the rate of reaction. Here, vanadium pentoxide is used as a catalyst. V2O5 plus SO2, it gives SO3 plus V2O4. The next, V2O4 plus 2SO3 plus O2, it gives twice VOSO4. 2VOSO4 gives V2O5 plus SO3 plus SO2. The overall reaction is 2SO2 plus O2, it gives twice SO3. Then last, space velocity. Last physicochemical principle. Space velocity, the time of contact of reacting gases with the catalyst must be carefully controlled, and the space velocity is adjusted. Space velocity is the number of cubic foot of the gases corrected to normal temperature pressure that pass over 1 cubic foot of catalyst space per hour. Then optimum condition for the maximum yield of sulfur trioxide can be summarized as: first, temperature between 425 to 450 degrees centigrade. Next, pressure 1.5 to 1.7 atmosphere. Concentration SO2 and O2 in molecular proportion 2:3. Catalyst V2O5 or platinum. Appreciable space velocity. Then in the picture we can see manufacturing plant and process, the contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Air, sulfur burner, Cottrell precipitator, settling chamber, then cooling pipe, steam scrubber, drying tower, concentrated H2SO4, arsenic purifier, FuOH toys, testing box, Tyndall box, preheater, catalyst V2O5, contact converter, concentrated H2SO4, inner adsorption tower, oleum, that is formation of oleum. The plant process consists of following units: 1. Burners, 2nd. Purification unit, 3rd. Contact converter, 4th. Absorption unit. The details of these units are given below. First unit, burners. Sulfur dioxide is obtained by burning high-grade sulfur or iron pyrites. It does not need purification because of high-grade sulfur, but using low-grade sulfur or pyrites contains impurities in gas need purification. Platinum is used as a catalyst. Mainly platinum is used as a catalyst. Then second purification unit. The gas obtained from sulfur burner furnace containing impurities like arsenic oxide, sulfur dust and acid fog, which poisons the catalyst that is inactive so it is first passed through settling chamber in which heavy particles settle down by gravity. Fine dust particles are removed by electrostatic precipitation in Cottrell precipitator. Gases are cooled and washed by steam or spray of water, steam scrubber, when acid fog is removed. The gases are scrubbed with lime water to remove traces of chlorine. When V2O5 used as a catalyst, as it removes catalyst in the form of volatile vanadilyl chloride. Gases are dried by passing through drying tower packed with coke or flintstone, down which stream of concentrated H2SO4 flows. Finally, gases are passed through arsenic purifier containing gelatinous ferric hydride, which absorbs arsenic oxide. Gases passed through filter, which removes last traces of dust. For confirmation of dust-free gases, H2O3 particles, the gases are lead into testing box. Gases free from impurities are lead into contact converter. Purification is based on the type of nature of impurities. Then next, contact converter. The purified gases are heated first to about 300 degrees centigrade in the preheater and they are passed through converter, which is fitted with vertical pipes packed with the catalyst. Here SO2 is oxidized to SO3, the reaction being exothermic. The temperature is maintained at 450 degrees centigrade. If temperature goes up, suitable amount of cool gases mixture is admitted directly into converted through wall. Then fourth, adsorption unit. The hot gases from converter are passed through heat exchanger to heat up entire gases SO2 O2. As the result, SO3 gas gets cooled before being adsorbed in concentrated sulfuric acid flowing down through the adsorption tower. The sulfur trioxide thus get absorbed in 98% sulfuric acid to give oleum, also known as fuming sulfuric acid or pyric sulfuric acid. The oleum obtained may be diluted with water to get sulfuric acid of any desired strength. These all are the process of manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Burners, purification unit, contact converter, and the last one, adsorption unit. Okay. Reaction SO3 plus H2SO4 98% sulfuric acid gives oleum H2S2O7. Then H2S2O7 plus H2O gives twice H2SO4. The superiority of contact process results from engineering improvement to contact plant, particularly the catalyst performance. Extremely pure high strength acid reduces the cost and increase the allowable market area. And third one, wide application of sulfuric acid in chemical industries. These are the process of manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. Then for your better understanding, you also play this video.
Manufacture of sulfuric acid by contact process. Sulfuric acid is commonly prepared by the contact process. There are mainly 5 steps involved in the manufacture of sulfuric acid by the contact process. They are production of sulfur dioxide from sulfur, purification of sulfur dioxide, catalytic oxidation of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide, conversion of sulfur trioxide to oleum, dilution of oleum to sulfuric acid. Shown here is a schematic flowchart of the contact process. The main parts of the unit that are involved in the process are shown on the screen. Dusting tower. The mixture of sulfur dioxide and air obtained contains various impurities which must be removed. Otherwise, the catalyst loses its efficiency. There are dust particles, pyrite dust, and arsenious oxide. The mixture is passed through a purifier or dusting tower in which electric charges attract the solid particles which are removed. Scrubbing tower. The gas is then led into a water scrubber where it is completely freed from dust particles. Drying tower. The gas is dried by a spray of concentrated sulfuric acid in the drying tower. Arsenic purifier. The gaseous mixture is then led into the arsenic purifier where every trace of arsenic oxide is removed. Contact tower or oxidation chamber. The clean dried gaseous mixture of sulfur dioxide and air is passed through a tower loosely packed with vanadium pentoxide or platinum. Here the preheated mixture of sulfur dioxide and oxygen form sulfur trioxide. This is the main chemical reaction occurring in the contact process. It is a reversible exothermic reaction accompanied by a decrease in volume. Absorption tower. Absorption of sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid takes place here. Sulfur trioxide is not dissolved directly in water as it gives out a lot of heat. Sulfur trioxide is cooled in a heat exchanger and is then absorbed in sulfuric acid to give oleum. Dilution tank. Sulfuric acid is soluble in water in all proportions, and dilution of oleum or pyrosulfuric acid is done by the addition of acid to water. Thus, sulfuric acid having the desired concentration is obtained by this process. Blower. Sulfur burners. Dusting tower. Scrubbing tower. Drying tower. Arsenic purifier. Contact tower. Absorption tower. Dilution tank. Sulfuric acid is soluble in water in all proportions, and dilution of oleum or pyrosulfuric acid is done by the addition of acid to water. Thus, sulfuric acid having the desired concentration is obtained by this process.
Okay. Now, today we have discussed the manufacturing of sulfuric acid by contact process. In this process, oleum is formed. Now, this is the contact process for the manufacturing of sulfuric acid, and it is most important process. Then next lecture we will see the next point, manufacturing of next process, manufacturing of nitric acid by Ostwald process. Today we will discuss about the contact process for the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Manufacturing of sulfuric acid process today we discussed. Now next point, it is the manufacturing of nitric acid by Ostwald process. Okay, thank you.